Hello everyone, I'm here just to showing a demo of the Melonare called PM-1. It's called the wireless ear monitor system. It's so basically it's called the compact audio excellent. And if you have any instrument or like let's say you want to have any music you want to listen, you can go if you have like a wire headset like this, you can basically connect it to this device, and you can able to give you a range up to 130 feet there without having using a wire headset. And then it doesn't matter, you have a instrument like keyboard, guitar, you can also plug that too. And the good thing about that, you can set, I'm just looking at the chart, you can also can do a stereo to monitor, and then it has 10 channel frequency that you can set. So here's the box that I have opened, what it comes with this. We look it up here. And now this is okay, so it comes with a phone jack. This is right. I'm gonna put it down real quick. And this is also there's some headphone as well that you can plug into the phone, and then this is another extender. Okay, and actually you have this one too, this wire. This is where you're gonna be charged through a USB for the charging. And that to go to the USB, you have the adapter. I have one of the Android or iPhone charger plugged to that. I can also charge the unit, and unit you can charge up to about 5 hours that can last. So this is the USB-C port that is gonna plug in on the back. So if you're looking at here, so I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I forgot to mention that this too, so you have the connector there too for the phone jack, for the small one or the big phone jack there that you can plug that in. Okay, and what else is okay, so it comes with this too. Okay, so you can see the model is called the PM-1 Melonare, and this is the receiver there. So one of the so how you charge this is you go like this. So the USB-C plug there, another USB-C plug on there, and the USB port you just plug into the wall charger, or you have a USB, or you can plug into I have a port charger, I can go directly to that, and it's pretty quick charging, doesn't take that long. And now let's say if I want to plug it in, I'm gonna show you what equipment I have. And I have one of the budget mixer. This mixer is called, let me see, called the Soundtrack MX 1002U. Is a 10 channel mixer. Okay, and what it is there's two adapter on there. So make sure you are using the one that has two port here. This is the one that you're gonna be carrying with you. You see, this is only for the for your headphone that you're gonna plug to that one. So I'm gonna keep that on the side first. And for this, it would say headphone or input. Okay, now I'm gonna use the wire that came with this. Okay? Headphone jack, and let me see. Okay, now you're gonna plug into the headphone that say input. See input, so input, and this is the adapter that you need to plug in, because since the mixer mostly is using the 1/4 inch adapter, so you have to basically use this one in order to go to the mixer. So now you look at the mixer now, you see there it's phone, the port called phone, PHONES. That's where you're gonna plug that in. Okay, and when you plug that in, you can turn this on. There's a power button here. Turn it on. Okay, when you turn it on, now you see both light, and this light is indicate the battery, and this is where the blue logo, that's where you're gonna try to pair your other receiver. That's how it look. And you can set it mono or stereo. So you can either choose which one you want to put. So I'm gonna leave this here. And if you look to that, I turn on because this is a Bluetooth mixer, which I can use the computer, to play music. And then this part I will listen from, from my down there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is on this port of the device before I can show you on the computer later. Okay? And so what I need to do is I'm gonna plug first before I turn it on. This is my wired headset or my daughter headset. So if you look at the port here, it's called you can see a headset. So you plug into there like that, and all you have to do is just press the power on this one here to say power. And if you look now, so you got both green and blue. Now it should appear. And you can adjust your volume minus higher. You want to go higher, but recommend that you put it on the headset first. Okay. And now there's a clip. You can put a clip right here where you have a bell. You can put right here. That's fine on your pants. So I just go like this. So I'm gonna look. And if I need to adjust more sound or volume, you can go like that. And now you look at the computer screen now. And the computer screen, I just want to make sure I'm on a Mac here, and you can see that I'm connecting to my mixer called PB3, P3 Bluetooth. So if I play this is a song that I create a karaoke song, and now I can hear on the Bluetooth now. I don't think you're able to hear through through my headset now here, because you can see it's still going. So I can walk here, still listen around. Okay, can hear fine. So great that you have a band. If it's too loud, you want to hear all the music, or you might sing. You want to hear your own voice. You can basically use this method. That way you can hear the sound better if you want to hear focus. And now I don't think you can hear me, but if you look at here, if I'm turning on the music on, see now you can hear from here as well. So if I were to turn this off, turn this low, I can still hear control. But this port here is controlled through my, it's controlled through the computer sound laptop. If I want to do we want to hear both ways. So I can turn that off, and then I can control my own input sound. So I'm gonna turn it off on that. Now I can do it through here. Yep. That's very basic, for the using on a mixer soundtrack. And now the next step what I'm gonna show is using one of a portable task cam that I'm gonna be a demo that is well together. So I'm gonna pause this first. Pause the music. Pause it. Okay. Now I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Now next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off first. So turn this off. Okay. Turn this off. I'm gonna plug this port to my task cam. I have a portable task cam, and if you look at over here, I'm gonna pull this up a little bit so you can see. You can see the camera. Okay, this is my task cam. Okay, and task cam, one of the portable mixer that I'm gonna try to test. And if you look on the back, I can pull the wire a little bit more. Hope I can turn around. So if you look back here, you can see the camera. Pull up the camera here. Can you see here? So this port is a big one. So you can looking at the connector is bigger. That is the 1.4. Now I'm gonna unplug this because the port on mine doesn't have it. For the phone, is using the small one. So all you have to do, just plug right here on the phone jack. So say phone. Plug that in, and you can adjust the volume too on here. 1.4. I'm gonna put it close to 9 instead of 10. And now, let's say if I wanna, turn the song, like let's say play the song from a keyboard, and because I had connected, the keyboard to one of my task cam, and you can see, I'm gonna show you the more connection on here. This is my connection, how it look like. With the look, if the line out that coming from my task cam is basically going through my soundtrack, so I can play back through the speaker. And this is the keyboard. that let me see. Yeah, that's the keyboard. And then another one, this is the microphone. So the microphone is coming through that side there. So I plug everything to the input. And for the playback, I use the soundtrack, the playback coming from here. Okay. Now, if I were to play now, okay, all you have to do, because right now it's on channel 1, okay, because my keyboard on channel 1, I'm gonna press the record. I mean, not gonna record, but I need to know what channel. Okay, now I'm gonna play it. Okay, so, okay, I can hear now. Okay, you can hear. Gonna walk this way, I can stay here as well. No cut off, anything. It's fine. You can hear it's okay. And if I would want to hear through my keyboard on this side too, I can also let you hear how it sounds like as well. But let me just change and put the beat on this first. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say if I were to, let me take it off because the music's still coming through here. Let's say if I want to hear from, either from my mixer or from the headphone. If I were to turn this on, you're gonna hear how the sound sounds like. That's how I'm gonna hear. And I can load this down and I can still hear from here. Okay, could you turn it off and put it? I can hear. I'm gonna walk around this way. Yeah. Yeah, that's a sound from an instrument. And you can plug your guitar, to your mixer or to your instrument. You have a task cam, you can do that as well. So it's pretty basic, nothing much. Use is very portable, and it's only $50. So the spec on this is can go up to 130 feet there, that you can go range on that, and it's compact, portable, and then it has a 10 channel that you can change up to by selecting the channel, and stereo and mono that you can select that. So it's pretty good, sleek design. So you can see that I can just get a headset and plug into it. You can adjust the volume through here, and the battery lasts not bad for up to 5 hours. Pretty long and quick charge. I'll charge about maybe like an hour later, sit there. So it's pretty fast charge, and for that price, I mean, you cannot really beat it. So it's a good deal, and that's about it. Just a demo. One of the demo that we're doing. I'm going to tell you the model again. This is called the Melonare PM-1 wireless in-ear monitor system, compact audio, and excellent. That's what it says. Okay, and I will also put the link in my YouTube channel too. You can, if you'd like to order, you can go through the Amazon for $50 on sale right now. I think before it was like a $70, over $70, so you can buy it through there. All right, so feel free to put on a comment if you have any question. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.